My name is Emily Paternoster, and I am a 5th grade teacher at Oakwood Elementary. On one side of Open Concept, we have 3 5th grade classrooms, and on the other side of Open Concept, we have 3 4th grade classrooms. That's about 150 kids in this wide open space at one time. All of these classrooms are separated by portable walls. Kids will hear things in different classrooms while you're teaching a different content area, which can be challenging for anyone with attention challenges or sensory input needs. In the middle of Open Concept, we actually have our media center where our media assistant will read books to classes and kids will check out books. So we also have to be really cognizant of our noise level when we are doing any activities throughout our content areas in the day. There are quite a bit of safety concerns with our current layout. We do have a plan in place that if an intruder was to get in, we could get out, but it's really a stressful situation for kids. So we do not have air conditioning anywhere in this building. So on like those beginning nights for those meet your teacher nights or those beginning days of school, it can be really hot. And it's really hard to learn when you are uncomfortable. And so that's a challenge at the beginning of the school year and at the end of the school year. So we have 2 levels here. On one level, we have some classrooms and our lunchroom and our media center, but on another level, there's a short staircase that takes you to our specialists like gym, art, and music, and then some more classrooms and the main office. So any student that would need access to a ramp would actually have to travel outside of the school and go up an exterior ramp every time they would need to make it to one of those different spaces. Our kids are doing great here at Oakwood, but some of the benefits of having our own space would be having walls and a door to cut out that noise that's going on in the background to really let students focus on the instruction and their job at hand. We also would have the autonomy to kind of plan our own day. We wouldn't have to be consulting with each other or being strategic about when we're doing certain activities, so it could really be more about the students and what fits their needs best. To be able to take control of that space and keep it quiet, calm, and focused for students, I think that we would see increased engagement and increased achievement.